Okay, we're at a point in the notes, problem number 40. They're certainly more difficult, more work involved, but we're really trying to encourage a type of study habit where if you're given a key, you want to start to say, can I match that key? And you'll learn by doing that, by the way. Right, this is typical of a textbook. Textbooks will often have problem sets, and before the problem sets, they'll have detailed problems with detailed work. I believe this is detailed work. So the first thing I want to look at, and just one thing at a time, can I match it? So I'm looking at this, and I'm wondering, could I match that? Well, looking at it, let me just go through that with you. I'm looking at it. It looks like a factoring by grouping, and I'll write that down for you. So x squared, that would be x minus 2, then minus 4, and what do you get there? X minus 2. I'd factor x minus 2 out, and what would you get? You would get x squared minus 4. I notice that's factorable. X minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 2. And I start to realize that's simply x minus 2 squared times x plus 2. So we got our match. We did it. All right? I want to go to the next thing. And again, we're just doing one thing at a time. I'm pretty comfortable I got that part done. I go to the next one, and I'll go to this one. And again, my question is, can I match what they have down here? They have this down. I don't know. Let's give it a try. So what do you put over here? I'm going to try to factor by grouping. And what do I notice over there? Let's try to do that. I'll put that down. You get x cubed comes out, right? And what would you get? X plus 3. Then what do you get? I got to be careful now. I'm going to say 27 comes out. What do you get? X plus 3. So I'm seeing something now. I'm seeing x plus 3, and then I see x cubed minus 27. Well, that looks recognizable. So it's x plus 3, x plus 3. It's a cubic, right? You get x squared plus, not plus. I made a mistake already. My mistake. Sorry about that. X minus 3, x squared plus 6x plus 9. Am I matching it? I am. I get x plus 3, x minus 3, x squared plus 3x plus 9. Things are working out beautifully. I'll get my eraser out, get rid of my work. And again, we're just studying. The next thing I want to look at is this thing. Let me highlight it. And I'm wondering, can I match it? Well, it doesn't look bad to match. What do I get? Common denominator. That'll be x squared plus 6x plus 9, x squared plus 6x plus 9. And then what do you get? Plus 3x plus 5. Well, the bottom's a perfect square. And what is that going to be? X plus 3 squared. I'm looking at the top, and I want to point out the top is really x squared plus 9x plus 14. And I start to realize the top is factorable. It's x and x, 7 and 2. Right? Did I match it? I do see the x plus 2. I do see the x plus 7 on top. And I see the x plus 3 squared in the bottom. And that's good news. Let me erase. And again, we're just getting the matching game done. All right? Let's do this guy over here. I'm getting a little better at this now. And what do I see over there? Let's write this down. X squared minus 9. And then on top, what do you get? X squared minus 9 minus 4x plus 13. On the bottom, the factored form is x plus 3, x minus 3. And on top, you'd actually get, x squared minus 4x. I'll write this down for you. And minus 9 plus 13 is going to be plus 4, right? And that's just going to be x minus 2 squared. Did I get it? I did. It's right here. Whoops. I did it again, didn't I? We're going along fine. Someone says there's a lot of factorizations there. You're not kidding. Next thing I want to do is rewrite the division as a multiplication problem. Let me erase this business over here, though. And I'm pretty good at matching that. I want to see if I match the next thing. Relatively simple, just a recopy of the problem. What the understanding is I just, took the factors on top here. Let me outline that for you. Wrote them down. X plus 2, x plus 7, x minus 2 squared. Factors on the bottom. And I, count them up. There's x plus 3. There's 3 factors of that and x minus 3. That's not a problem. I still see the division. And yeah, I just copied this over again. That's all I've done. Let's keep going. Right as a multiplication problem. What does that mean? I take the reciprocal. That's x plus 3 cubed, x minus 3. I see that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the cancellations. All right? What I like to do is I like to look for factors left to right and top. And the first thing I see is x minus 2 squared. That's provided x, that cancels provided x is not equal to 2. I see a factor of x plus 2. That cancels provided x is not equal to minus 2. I'm going to keep going through this. And the next thing I look for is the x plus 3 cubed. And I see an x plus 3. There's one factor, so this would become a 2. Again, that cancels, provided x is not minus 3. What's the next one I see? X minus 3 cancels, again, provided x is not equal to 3. So what am I left off with? Let's write this down. I'm left off with, on top, I'm left off with x plus 3 squared. What are you left with on bottom? Well, a little nightmarish, but you're left with x minus 3 times x squared. I'm sorry, I forgot to cancel the x minus 3. We're not left with x minus 3. My mistake. My mistake. I canceled and I didn't cancel. You're left off with x squared plus 3x plus 9 and x plus 7. Are we getting that in our answer? Yes, we are. We got the x plus 3 quantity squared on top. We have the x squared plus 3x plus 9 in the bottom and the factor of x plus 7. Things are working as advertised. Thank you.